One love, one heart. Let's get together and feel alright. Hear the children crying. One love. Hear the children crying. One heart. Saying, give thanks and praise to the Lord, and I will feel alright. Saying, let's get together and feel alright. Whoa, 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 whoa. Let them all pass all their dirty remarks. There is one question I'd really love to ask. Is there a place for the hopeless sinners who has hurt all mankind?
As you look in my lane, take them out there. Take them out there. Detain them. I want to see them tomorrow. I want to see them tomorrow. We are going to kill them. We are going to kill them. But as long as I live myself, Chief Okonkwo, I'm going to declare them dead. You are not going to see any sloop in this land. This is my community.
Yes.
This is my land. I declare them detained and dead at the same time. Hey! Christ of Nazareth was born in Bethlehem. Let's unite together and fight Mashurugwi in this land. Thank you so much.